Yo, can you guys hear me now? Please let me know in chat if you can hear me. Alright, cool. What's up, everyone? Welcome to the stream. Gonna be doing a little bit of showing off some new stuff first. Then I'm gonna do some game dev, answer some questions as well. Alright, so here's the bounty center. Right now, most of them aren't really done yet. I finished a couple of them though, so I'm gonna be showing them off. We're gonna be fighting this balloon right now. Oh, game volume could be louder. Alright, let me fix that. Did that make it better? Is it louder now? Alright, yeah. So right now, the bounty center, whenever you select the bounty balloon to fight, you can basically just pick any map to fight it in. That's probably gonna change later. Probably gonna make it so that there's a specific map that you have to go to in order to fight the bounty balloon. Alright, I'm making the game volume at a medium level. I don't want it to like drown out my voice, but you know. Alright, hold on, let me just close some background things first. Alright, yeah, so let's just load this up right now. So yeah, basically we got like 20 rounds to prepare ourselves for the balloon to show up. You guys want me to use Dartling gun? Alright. I'll wait a bit then. Sniper Monkey also might be good, I don't know. I haven't tried it out yet against them. I'm gonna lower the volume a bit on my end. Alright, I got a Dartling gun now. Gonna use that to pop this big old bully balloon when it shows up. You know, people were asking for me to like make the Dartling gun hitbox smaller, although I kind of find that it's like more annoying to click it now, because if you click the base of the gun it doesn't select, you have to click like the center. I don't know, it's probably better overall though. That's actually a really good idea, to make the towers let you know when you can't afford them. That'll probably be a 1.3 thing. 1.3 is gonna be quality of life stuff. None of that. Like 1.2 is mainly gonna be a content update, and 1.3 will be a quality of life update where I add a bunch of stuff that people like have been asking for that's probably needed. I don't know, I kind of prefer Twitch, honestly. I don't really watch that many YouTube live streams, that's kind of why. Is there a couple of lag spikes? Because I can kind of see the bitrate going down occasionally. Seems mostly okay though, so that's good. Alright, this is pretty easy so far. There's like nothing challenging happening whatsoever. But once the balloon shows up, that's gonna change. I don't know, I made Dartling Gun cost slightly more. Are you guys fine with that, or is the Dartling Gun like super weak right now? Because I see that everybody thinks that it's super OP. Yo, making a game is pretty wild, especially when a bunch of people actually like start playing it. It's pretty crazy. It's balanced. Alright. I don't know. I think the game is relatively balanced. There are a couple of things that are not that good and a couple of things that are maybe too good. I think overall it's okay. Oh, there it is. Now as you can see, whenever you shoot it, it moves a lot faster. So it's actually probably a good idea to not shoot it right now. I don't know, this is probably going to be like the easiest of the balloons. There's probably going to be like several much harder ones after this. Yeah, every time it leaks, it takes away some of your lives. If it leaks too much, the lives that it'll take away will increase, and eventually you will die. Oh yeah, the emoji balloon is gonna be the hardest one. Emoji balloon has like infinite HP and takes away all your lives at once. Maybe, I don't know, I still haven't decided yet. Now, whenever bounty balloon shows up, it'll cause the waves to automatically start. Which, if you're just focused on the gameplay, isn't that hard, but when you're also like commentating over it and reading chat, it's slightly tricky. That's probably why I have it at 2/3 speed right now. My favorite tower right now, probably the charge, although there are a couple of towers that are really close to it. Like, I think Plasma Monkey's pretty good. I use him a lot, especially against the bounty balloons. I try to use the balloon drain upgrade. I'm probably not gonna die to it. Like, this is the easiest one, I think. It's not that bad. Besides, this is only tier 1 Big Bully Balloon. You haven't seen tier 2 and tier 3 Big Bully Balloon yet. I kind of learned how to code over time. Like, I've been using Game Maker Studio to make games for about several years. Like, I really started to suck. It wasn't until recently that I actually started to get good enough to make a game like this. Because technically I've been working on BTDX for like 3 years, but I gave up for like 2 of those years, and then came back a year ago to finish it. Alright, we're probably... okay, we might actually die, but probably not because he's dead. There we go, I have done it. I have beaten him. Yeah, right now if you beat him, you don't get anything yet. I'm probably gonna change that to when you beat him, the round just automatically ends, because at that point you're done, right? Right now we're on super automatic mode, where all the waves just start automatically without any space in between, which is what all the bounty balloons will cause. Alright, let's go back to the main menu. Can charge balloons stun charge towers? Yes, they can. I am professional gamer. I cannot be destroyed. Alright, let's fight. I don't know. Who do you guys want to see me fight? You want to see me fight the mighty Moab, or you want to see me fight the UFO balloon? Oh yeah, there's a credits tab. See, look, it's right here. It's got a bunch of people in it. Alright, autoplay and free play, I'll do that eventually. Okay, I see lots of UFOs, so I'm probably gonna fight that one. Let's go. Alright, the UFO is kind of tricky, so I'm probably gonna use farms or something. Actually, hold on, let me leave. Let me use agents, because I'm a dirty cheater. Will I be upgrading the graphics? I might update some of them. Most of them are probably gonna stay the same, because updating all of them would be very, very difficult. Like, really time consuming. Like, that's the thing, when I started over on Bloons TDX like a year ago, most of the textures were already sort of done, so I didn't have to do that much work for them. It was mainly just rewriting all the code. It took a year. I kinda doubt that I'm gonna add any other towers after Balloon Shipper, because making towers is kinda time consuming. But that's okay, because after 1.3 I'll probably just let anybody edit the game themselves, so it will no longer be an issue. Oh yeah, I remember when BTDX was an April Fool's video. That video was very good for its time. I mean, right now it kinda sucks, but you know. Sometimes I look at it and I'm like, ooh, I remember when I did that. What a time to be alive. Use the helicopter. Alright, I'll use the heli. I mean, it's new, I probably should use it. Alright, so my internet's way better now. It's still not perfect though. I can see a bunch of lag spikes happening occasionally. Still not as bad as the other stream. Yeah, when I make the game available for anybody to edit, I don't know how I'm gonna curate that. I don't even know if Ninja Kiwi would be okay with me doing it. Like, Ninja Kiwi might not be happy with it, I don't know, I have to ask them. They're okay with the game existing, so that's fine. Yeah, just make the game open source, you know? Oh yeah, also true, if you have map ideas, draw them and then send them to me, because I have no more ideas. Alright, here's the hella pilot. You move him around and he shoots at stuff. If you mouse off the screen, he kinda just doesn't know what to do. As you can see here, it just sort of moves back and forth at the bottom of the screen. Also, if you have two of them, they do a weird spinning move, which is kind of funny to look at. Alright, see ya. I hope you had fun with the stream while you watched it. You want me to buy as many helis as I can? Alright. They're kind of buggy right now, so that might not go well, but alright. Yeah, I'm gonna add sandbox soon, probably in either 1.2 or 1.3. The main reason I haven't added it yet is because I don't know how I would make it work. I'm gonna assume that I'd probably put like balloons on the side and you just click them and then they'd send. Something like that. Yeah, you need farms if you're gonna fight the UFO balloon because its ability is kinda messed up. Oh yeah, when modding comes out, all the crazy memes are gonna be available in the game. Like the Supra monkey and all that. I don't know, I should probably make a challenge with a Supra monkey. Might as well. Oh, editing the game, being in-game would be basically impossible. Like, I barely made this game. This game was like really shitty when it first came out. It just had so many bugs. Now it's like has a lot less bugs, but you know. Alright, so here's an interesting upgrade for the helipilot. It makes spinning darts. Oh, let me slow down for a bit so you can see it. Like the darts sort of move in a weird way. That's all the upgrade does. It also shoots 5 of them now. Wait, what wasn't shitty? I don't even know what I said. Ah, crap, leads. Okay, I don't know. This. I like the charge tower. Oh, there goes my bloomberry bush. Just gone forever. That sucks. I probably should fix that. Alright, what do you guys want to see? You guys want to see a railgun or you want to see razor rotors? Oh crap, there it is. Didn't even notice that the UFO was here. Alright, so the UFO takes some money away from you the longer it stays on the screen. It's a good thing I have a helipilot though. Also, its speed is very fast. Like sometimes it moves slow, but most of the time it moves really fast. Now yeah, if you look at my money, it's going down real fast because of the UFO balloon. Like look, it's taking away my money from me. No, yeah, it's a good thing I have a helipilot though. I can just follow it around. It's fine. Yeah, this is bounty mode. This is one of the balloons that you fight. It's basically just boss battles. It's just a weird way of saying boss battles. I don't know, I could probably show off the upgrade after this. It's really cool. I don't have that upgrade unlocked yet because I don't have enough balloon points. The only reason railgun seems weak right now is because the UFO has 2000 HP. I don't know, I should probably buff the UFO. It seems pretty weak right now. Yep, I don't have any balloon points even though I'm rank 105. That's how it works. Wait, did I kill him? Is he dead? Alright, I think I got him. Pretty sure he died. Maybe he didn't die, I don't know. Oh yeah, the HP bar does go over the UI. Whatever. I'm gonna leave now. Alright, so the other one I programmed was the Moab. I don't know if I should show him off though. Maybe I should leave some stuff secret. What do you guys think? You guys want to see it? What, you want to see the KYS balloon? I don't know what that is. Are you talking about this balloon? Is that the KYS balloon? Also, look at this balloon. Like, that's kind of horrifying, honestly. Alright, fine, I'll show it. Wait, did I select him? Yeah, okay. I don't know, let's fight him here. Wait, hold up. Hold up. Let's buy some more of those. Now, to see, the thing is, even though I programmed a lot of the Helipilot's upgrades, I haven't programmed the buying screen for the Helipilot. So even though the upgrades exist, I can't even use them, even if I have enough BP to buy them, because the buttons didn't work. Oh, I didn't add shading. Some other guy added shading. I think it looks better, but I don't know. That could just be because I'm very critical of my own art. I think it looked really bad before, but maybe not. Oh yeah, I'll probably show them off later. I'll show them off later during the game dev. Probably just insert them somewhere. Alright, let's go to 3 times speed right now. You should have no self-esteem. That makes sense. Alright, this is pretty easy when you just have a bunch of agents doing all the work for you. But yeah, basically the balloon's a bounty center. You select the balloon, you beat the balloon, then you go back to the center, and you gotta fight a stronger version of that balloon. And that process repeats about like 3 or 4 times. How do agent upgrades work? Every 10 rounds the agent gets stronger, basically. It just happens automatically. It's pretty cool, actually. Alright, what tower should I use? Please answer within the next 5 seconds. These balloons are probably gonna get by soon. Oh, yep, there it is. You guys want me to use glue, really? Glue and ice against a Moab. Alright, sure. Alright, I'm using sub. I'll probably use bomb too, sure, why not? the game isn't gonna crash because of the sub, unless I'm in round 95, then it'll probably crash for some reason that I can't understand. I don't know, we probably only need one farm. This balloon isn't that bad at tier 1. At tier 2 and 3, yeah, it's pretty bad, but at tier 1 it's not that bad. Now yeah, bananas already auto-collect if there's too many of them on the screen. So we really don't need a farmer. If they didn't automatically collect, the lag would just be awful. Like, I remember back before BTDX came out, so MGs dropped 4 BFBs at a time, and BFBs dropped 4 Moabs at a time, and it just broke the game because of how much lag there was. So it made it that they would only drop 3 of each, and it works out much better now. Alright, we have a level 3 balloonberry bush now, so that's good. I don't know, should I get... what path should I go with the bomb tower? Should I go left, middle, or right? The balloon's gonna show up in probably about 7 waves or so. Why can't ice break through shields? You know, it's gotta have a weakness. I don't know, I see a lot of everything. Left and right, middle, all of that. Alright, people are saying left with bomb. Okay, that makes sense. Right now it doesn't do extra damage though, because it technically doesn't count as a Moab, even though it is. I'll probably program that later. Alright, you guys want me to go right with ice? Okay. That's probably smart. Hang on, let me put one of these also. Oh geez. I don't know, ice is pretty strong in BTDX, I think. I haven't really tested it that much since 1.1 came out, but before then it seemed pretty good. Oh yeah, I should probably buy a Dartling or a helicopter, you're right. Yeah, I'll make Moab Mauler do more damage later. Right now it doesn't though. Nah, I'm probably gonna do some game dev after this so the stream won't be over. Oh, is the lag getting worse? That's bad. Alright, yeah, if that continues, I'll probably, like, I don't know, see what I can do. Okay, let's get a... I don't know, you guys want to see Dartling or helicopter? Alright, whatever, helicopter, let's go. There it is. He has shown up. And now he will send a bunch of mini Moabs at us until we die. Ooh, this is bad. This is very strong. Alright, this could kill us. I don't know. I've only tested this on the easiest map. Yeah, I'm probably gonna upload this to YouTube after this. I don't know. Alright, let's slow down. Let's see what's wrong here. Okay, the problem is we're not using the objective best tower in the game. There we go. Wait, that's not what it's called. The Mighty Moab is like 30,000 HP. So we're probably gonna die. Possibly, I don't know. He does 40,000 damage. So I'm probably gonna die if he gets past. Oh no, it's way stronger than his OMG. There probably will not be a co-op, because that would require making multiplayer, and doing that is really hard. Alright. Let's see if we can take care of this dude. Wait, what? 4,000? Nah, it takes away 40,000. Not 4,000, it takes 40,000. Alright, there we go. We got a stronger plasma monkey now. Shouldn't be that bad. Our agents have abilities now. We're probably gonna take them. It's not too bad. I mean, he's probably gonna start sending Moab soon, and we're probably gonna die then, but you know. Pretty sure this is only tier 1 or tier 2. I actually forget. Alright, let's activate the squirrel ability. Let's activate that ability, and let's activate this ability. There we go. Alright, I forgot. Yeah, the village makes the helicopter move weird. So let's try to avoid the village. Yo, the agent abilities are pretty good. Honestly, the agents are real good. Like, they can basically win you the map with only a couple of them and some farms. Alright, let's get a super monkey now. Let's put one of those down. There we go. Let's activate this ability again. Let's activate this ability again. Let's do that one. Alright. You know, he's pretty strong, but he's not that strong. Because this is only tier 1. Tier 2 is going to shoot like flaming punching balls that just stun your towers and destroy them. Or something like that, I don't know. I haven't added it yet. Okay, this is tier 1, so it doesn't send any Moabs. It only sends mini Moabs. Tier 2 would be sending Moabs right now. Alright, there we go. We have beaten him. That wasn't that bad. Oh yeah, I don't know how exactly the village bug happens. I'm gonna fix it eventually though. Alright, let me show off the helipilots. Alright, ah crap. That's broken. Ignore you, just pretend you didn't see that. Okay, there we go. This upgrade, quintuple darts. Shoots 5 darts and they spin around each other. It's pretty good. Now if you have 2 helipilots, if you just do this, like they'll avoid colliding with each other. So basically they just spin around each other. And if you move your mouse in between them. Hold up, there we go. They just spin around each other like that. It's probably the best part of the game so far. This is like the main selling point of 1.2 right here. Just the two helipilots spinning around each other. I don't know. I mean, I guess I probably could fix it, but I'm not going to, just because that's like adorable. Alright, let's just put a whole bunch of these down. Just a whole bunch of these down. Now the problem is, if any of them like get stuck inside of each other, they glitch out like that. You see that? Like, let me move them all away. Like, you see how they're glitched out over there? Those two are just stuck there, and then there's just like a massive cluster over there in the corner of helipilots not even knowing where to go. Why is the helipilot next to the spike factory? I don't know, that's how I originally had it when I was making the game. Back when all the 24 towers were gonna come out at the same time. But things changed and only 20 of them came out, and the other 4 would be added later. Now, they don't blow up after glitching, that would be absurd. I mean, this is already absurd, but that would be even more absurd. Alright, let's see what happens if I move it off the screen. Oh, jeez. Oh, God. They look so confused, they don't even know where to go. What, give them giant hitboxes so that they can't overlap? I mean, that is what's happening. Like, the bug where they just stay in place, that happens whenever you spawn a helipilot, because if it spawns right on top of another one, then it just detects the collision at all times and it can't move anymore. So I'm probably going to change that. Not sure how exactly, but it'll be fixed. Let's just put them all together now. There we go. That's the money shot right there. Alright. I don't know, I guess that was it. That's all I really wanted to show of that so far. So let's just transition on to some game dev. You guys can see this window, right? You guys can see my workspace. Type yes in chat if you can see Game Maker open right now. Or you can see it? Cool. So yeah, here's my workspace. This is where I do everything. I don't know exactly what to be adding right now. I guess we could make the UFO harder. Let's try doing that right now. Alright, where is it? Now as you can see, it's just a massive mess. Like, there's just so many objects. It takes 5 minutes for the game to run after I press the play button. That's just how ridiculous it is. Alright, so here we have the UFO. As you can see, it has 2,000 hit points. I could change that if I want to, but I'm not gonna, because that's absurd. Minus 2 lives every time it flies off the screen. Maybe. I don't know. I think I'll just make it so that it takes the money away a lot faster. Because the idea was that it would take all your money away and then the balloons would just kill you. Oh, I bought the Pro. Yeah, I bought the Pro Edition. Alright, so... Wait, no, that's not it. Here it is. Okay, so... We could speed that up. Probably. Alright, let's just make the drain like twice as much. There we go. Can alchemists turn bounty into paper? No. That would be too broken. Oh, the distraction, corruption, and radiation variables. These variables right here. You know, if a balloon gets distracted, then distraction will become 1. If corrosion is enabled, then it'll be whatever the corrosion potency is. Radiation is like the plasma monkey's right ability. When the balloons become irradiated, they'll get radiation. Yeah, I don't know. Pro Edition, I mean, it's kind of expensive. It's not super expensive. Like buying all the modules, yeah, that's like $1,500 right there. But you know, if you're just getting it for like PC or something, it's not that expensive. Alright, so I don't know. I could probably do some sprite work right now. Like the super balloon, I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think it looks good? Because I went on the Discord and I asked for like better sprites and I got like 2 of them. There's this one and then there's this one. I'm probably just gonna make them all into a different type of super balloon. I think that's a good way to do it. Oh, I own Game Maker 2. I just don't use it because I still do not understand it. I should probably start using it though. I don't know. The sprite editor confuses me. Here we got the super lit balloon. Bunch of other balloons that people drew. There's this one. I'm a big fan of this one. You want me to add maps? That's kind of hard to do live, but okay. Actually, no. I can't add a map live because it's mad work. Let me show you how you add a map. Okay. So basically, as you can see here, each map is a room. So you got Monkey Meadows Normo, Monkey Meadows Time Trial, Monkey Meadows Impossible. And each one is basically the same room. You got all the objects in the side and everything. Before I used a tile editor, but that's probably not such a good idea. Instead, now I just have the entire track as a background. See, like I just what did I just do? Alright, let's no. Alright, let me see. Let me add a tile or something. So yeah, I made the entire track a tile, basically. So if I wanted to, I could just paste that there. Although, you know, that would be very confusing, just having this track overlaid on top of this track. But yeah, adding maps is actually not that hard to do, but it's still relatively difficult because you still have to... Alright, let me show you. Basically, each one of these balloons, you have to set up the track here. Like, the way I have it done is really complicated and stupid. It probably doesn't need to be this way. Like, basically, whenever you select a track, it'll change this variable. If track is equal to 1, then it'll make the balloon follow the Monkey Meadows path. If track is equal to 2, then it'll follow the Balloon Oasis path. If track is equal to 3, then it could either follow Swamp Spiral A or Swamp Spiral B, depending on this variable. When will 1.2 be out? I don't know. 2 weeks, maybe less. Golden balloons, I might do that. Add maps? Yeah, I'm gonna add maps. I'm probably gonna add maybe one of my own, because I have to like at least contribute somehow. But most of them are probably gonna be maps that people in Discord add. Now, if I add golden balloons, it's not gonna be RNG. It'll probably be a bounty thing. Oh yeah, that might be why it sends region ceramics in track 1. I don't know. I don't know anything about coding. Like right now I'm a CS major, so I'm learning stuff, but you know, I still have not learned very much. I'm sure in the future I will be better at coding. No, but yeah, if I wanted to add another track, I'd have to basically assign this to all the balloons. It's a really sloppy way of doing it, but that's kind of just how it goes. How to pop the new bully balloons? You just throw a lot of darts at it. See, look. If you just throw 3,000 darts at it, the bully balloon will be popped. I'm gonna try to add the balloon chipper. I don't know if it's gonna happen, but I'm gonna try. Why don't I make a balloon parent? I do actually. This right here is all the balloons, like it's rainbow to red basically. I don't know. Listen, I made this game when I was a very bad programmer. In fact, I still kinda am pretty bad at programming. But you know what? At least it works. So good enough. I don't know. I'll try to make it better. For 1.3 afterwards, when I actually release it, I'll probably make the code less sloppy. Because, you know, having sloppy code is real bad. Especially if people are gonna mod it. You know, I don't want people to mod, like, just a horrible mess. I'm gonna try to make it more organized. Like, most of the code that I use is pretty simple. It's just a lot of manual labor. Rehash the whole game. Well, it took me a year to get it to where it is now, so probably not. Alright, let me show you guys. I mean, I showed a bunch of people on Discord this already, but let me show you guys like the code for the sniper monkey, which is over 1,000 lines of code. Just horrible. Just look at this mess. It's actually not that complicated when you understand it, but it's still pretty complicated. Oh yeah, I'm gonna try to make editing the game as easy as possible after 1.3. Oh, you don't want me to close it? Alright, let me just leave it in the background while I do other stuff. There we go, analyze that. Yeah. Now, I was originally gonna add a cobra, and I kinda did. That was back before I started over. Oh yeah, no, the sniper code isn't that bad, honestly. It's just copy and pasted all of the balloons. It's just really annoying to have to edit. Oh yeah, see, look, I even made a cobra sprite. It doesn't even look that bad. It's probably not gonna happen though, because I don't understand how it would work. I mean, maybe. If 1.4 was a thing, might add it. I don't know. I don't know. What is your opinion of the sniper monkey? Is the sniper monkey a good tower, or should I buff it? Yeah, there's a bunch of old stuff still here. Like, look, this is back when the game still looked like trash. Like, remember the Bloons Tower Defense 6 trailer? This map is from that era. Oh, you guys want me to buff Sniper? I could buff Sniper. Oh yeah, I remember somebody wanted me to add medallions for time trial. I could do that right now. Where is it? I don't know. I don't even know how to edit it myself. Let me see. Okay, yeah, here we go. You guys really want to see me do a medallion for time trial? I mean, it's not even that complicated. It's just weird to do. Alright. Wait, what is the variable for it? I don't even remember. Okay. That makes sense. Alright, so basically the medallions. Let me try to explain this real quick. So this is the... So this object right here, it's the Monkey Meadows button. You know, the one that you click it, and if you click it, you go to Monkey Meadows. Basically, it draws the panel, which is this right here. And this event draws the sprite, and it draws a medallion right next to it that changes depending on what your progress is. So if you've beaten 90 waves, it'll show a normal medallion with a 4 on it. If you beat 75 unpoppable waves, it'll send a medallion with a 4 on it that has horns on it and stuff. Alright, if I'm going to add a medallion for time trial, I have to do some sprite art now. So let me do that. This is a pretty crappy texture. This is from the BTD 6 era. It's also a real bad texture. Okay, here we go. So this is for the normal medallions, and this is unpoppable. So I don't know. Let's just go ahead and make one for time trial. Oh yeah, I got way better at making art. Like, I'm still not that good, but it's like, it's a lot better than before. Oh yeah, just re-download it and you'll get the new update without erasing any of your progress. Okay, how do I do this? I don't know. Is that good enough? Can I just recolor it? Would that satisfy you guys, or do you guys want to make like some better looking art? You want me to speed up time trial? I don't know. Some dude beat it in 10 seconds. So it's probably already fast enough. I could make it an hourglass. Orange text? Okay, that could happen. Let me just do that for all of these. How do you beat it in 10 seconds? With exploits, of course. Alright, yeah, let me make it an hourglass. Sure, why not? How would I even do that? Hold up, let me... Let me do that real quick. In the laziest way possible. Okay, let's do that. Let's do that. Okay, I mean, this is that an hour? No, that's not an hourglass. That is not what an hourglass looks like. Let me fix that. All right. That looks slightly more hourglassy. I don't know. Like, I actually fixed the exploit that was used to get 10-second time trial. It was kind of a dumb one too. It was like one that I sort of didn't care about until like I saw just how broken it was, and then I was like, alright, maybe I should fix that. Wait, what? Why does that look like that? Alright, let me just make this symmetrical. There we go. That looks exactly right. I don't know, the way I draw things is kind of weird. Or maybe not, I don't know. How do you guys draw stuff? There we go. Okay, that kind of looks terrible. Maybe not that terrible, though, I don't know. Actually, it doesn't look that bad. Alright, yeah, sure, why not? Let's keep that. Alright, now just time to cheat. Just sort of copy and paste that onto everything else. Just get rid of all of that. Take that. Paste it there. There we go. Then just fill in the blanks. Okay, and then just repeat that for all of these. Yeah, if you have any drawings that you want to send me, go ahead and send them. You know, if they're good, I'll add them to the game. Because there's no point in, like, not, you know. This is a community thing, kind of. Might as well add a bunch of community stuff to it. I don't know, has anybody beaten all of the challenges? I'd be very interested if somebody beat all the challenges, because I myself have not even beaten all of them. I don't even know if I've beaten any of the challenges, actually. I think I probably just got close enough, and then I was like, alright, that's good enough, I'll add that. Oh, you beat all the challenges? That's good. That means I didn't fuck up. You want advice on Flood? Basically, everybody keeps saying use the right ninja monkey and the middle buccaneer. So I guess that would work. Oh yeah, Necropolis is probably the most annoying special mission. Even when I was playtesting it, I was just like, I just didn't want to play test it at all. It was just so annoying to do. Make a folder of all the sprites. I mean, it's not that simple. Like, for some reason, Game Maker doesn't like put all the sprites in a neat location. I mean, it does actually, but it's like you need like a weird program to open it. It's weird. Okay, let's actually add these medallions now. There we go. I don't know. What's the time requirement for a medallion again? I forgot. It's 8 minutes, 6 minutes and 30 seconds, and 5 minutes, right? Okay, that makes sense, kind of. There we go. Then we just repeat that. Get rid of that. Okay, so 8 minutes, 6:30, and 5 minutes. Okay. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. I think I did it. Pretty sure that's how you do it. We could test and see, but that would take like 5 minutes to do. So let me just copy and paste that for all of these. Actually, I'll do the other maps later. Let me check my save file. Let me check my save file. Hold up. Well, let me not do that. Alright, is it on the Ramaf party screen now? Like, can you guys see the game dev stuff? Okay, that's good. I'm gonna change my save file right now. And I don't want you guys seeing the files in my computer. Alright, let's see here. Okay, I have made it so that I have beaten time trial in 200 seconds through a completely legitimate way. Okay, can you guys see the game dev now? Alright, now you guys get to see just how long it takes for the game to load after I save it. This is like half of the reason why game dev takes so long. Is because whenever you want to play test the game, it just takes 10 minutes. Alright, you guys can see the game dev? Okay, that's good. Alright, we are now in the Q&A part of the stream. If you have any questions for me, please give them to me right now, because I am unable to do anything for the next 5 minutes. What tower destroys the purple Moab thingy? I mean, you know, anything with 10 popping power. Alright, hold up. Let me put music on. Let me put some music on. There, can you guys hear that? Oh. Can you guys see all of this? The fact that Game Maker is just being terrible right now. Nah, don't worry about it. It should fix itself. If it doesn't, that would suck though. Oh, there we go. See, look, it fixed by itself. Not only did it fix itself, but it's also done compiling. So we should probably only have to wait like a minute now. Let's get this music out of here. The game's about to start. The Bloons Tower Defense 5 rock theme. I'll add that to one of the maps. I don't know which one, but one of them. The Dark Mighty Moab. I don't know. I'll add that later. Jazz. I'm okay with jazz. Jazz is pretty good if I'm in the mood for it. Copyright striked? I mean, I doubt it. It's possible though. Alright, it's almost done compiling. Yo, welcome back. You missed the 5-minute loading screen. Stripper Tower? I don't know. 1.6.9 confirmed. Alright, so I'm just gonna see if the time trial medallion works. And I'm probably gonna, after that, maybe show off some other stuff. I don't know, you guys want to see me make the helipilot upgrades work? I could do that also. .2.9. Yo, can you guys see the game? Like, can you see the screen that says Bloons TDX right now? Yeah, okay, that's good. You want me to buff the boomerang? I don't really need to do that, honestly. Super manky. Maybe not this stream, maybe next stream. Oh, there it is. It's the time trial medallion right there. Because I legitimately beat it in 200 seconds. The impoppable medallion would be right there if I actually did it. Hold up, let me do that. Let me see what's up. Weird. Okay, so that's good. Now as you can see, I can't click on the helipilot because it doesn't exist. Like everything else, you know, you can see that and it all works. I got all the towers completely legitimate. Legitimately, completely. 100% legitimate. Legitimately. Alright, so you guys want to see me add the helicopter upgrades right now? Because I can do that. Yeah, Hello Pilot is on the side of the Spike Factory. Hold on. Actually, let me add some sick tunes in the background. Alright, there we go. Yeah, let me add the upgrades now. I'll add the upgrades and then that'll be it for the stream, I think. You want me to buff the right farm? I mean, I could buff upgrades right now if you want me to. I don't know if I'm gonna buff the right farm though. Like, you could break the game with the right farm, I'm pretty sure. Alright, so here are all the menus for the towers. Hello Pilot does not have a room yet. I'll add one right now though. Let me see this. Okay. Okay. Hello Pilot near the Ace and then Shipper near the Spike Factory. You know, that makes a lot more sense now that I think about it. But actually, yeah, that does make a lot more sense. I don't know if I'm gonna do it though. I don't know, do you really want me to? Because I can if you really want me to. Is there an income stack for the right farm? Yeah, there is. I'm pretty sure. Alright, so this is not that. Yeah, sorry about that. I must have hit the end stream button by accident. That's pretty bad. Let me, there we go. Alright, my bad. You guys didn't miss much though. I just showed off, like, the fact that this is horribly complicated and that Control F makes everything easier. Set that music on repeat. You are probably correct. Let me do that right now. What was the original 7th bounty balloon? I have no idea. Yeah, I just clicked end stream or maybe it ended by itself. I don't know. Yo, what's up? Really sorry about the fact that the stream just keeps ending. Let me check that out. Let me see what's up. I don't know. It seems fine. Yeah, let me change the hotkey for that real quick. Okay. Hotkeys. Let me just remove those. No, yeah, cause like, in order to end the stream, it's only like one key away from the change window button. But it's okay now. Alright, where was I? Okay, yeah, let me fix this. Set the hotkey to Control Alt Delete. Yeah, okay. Just as soon as I press the hotkey, everything just turns off. Might work, honestly. Wait, no, that's not it. I don't know. Like when you guys see other people working on Game Maker, does it look like this? Because I've never seen someone else do it. I know other people also do game dev streams, but I've never like actually watched them. Okay, yeah, the key that I had to end the stream was really dumb, now that I think about it. Okay, so let's just change this. Let's just delete all of these. And then let's just add some of these. Wait, okay, yeah, no, that's it. It just has a weird sprite for some reason. Nah, the way I do things is really dumb. But it's okay because it works. It is kinda dumb though. I'm just copying all of the commands from the Spike Factory to just make it easier. The way I eat dogs is dumb, excuse me? But what does that mean? Okay, that should work. But if that doesn't work, I'm gonna just put some hella pilots in here as a backup. I don't know. We could put this dude here. Now let me not put him there. Let me put him over here. And then let me put this other guy over here. The way you weigh is dumb. Okay. That makes sense. Alright, I'll make hella menu near ace menu, even though that fucks up with the thing that I was doing earlier. I'll do it though, because that does make sense thematically. I shove my mouth with cockroaches while I eat it, a dog. Okay. That makes sense. Alright, you guys have any questions? Because we're gonna be here for the next 3 minutes. You guys have any questions? I don't know. I'm like about 70% done with the Hella pilot. And probably about 30% done with the Bloons Bounty Center. If you want to unlock all the upgrades, you should beat all of the maps on normal and impossible. Then you get lots of BP, and then you can spend your monkey money on more balloon points. When you conservate with Ninja Kiwi, somebody says is gonna make a Bloons TDX mod called Bloons TDXXX. I'm telling you guys, that's like the 1.6.9 update right there. It's Bloons Tower Defense XXX. Create a farmer as a special unit. I mean, probably not. If I did though, it would it would do more than just collect farms. It would probably like shoot bananas out or some shit like that. What maps do I think are likely to make it in? The ones that look the most like the other maps. The mountain one follows the grid and it looks detailed, so I'm probably gonna do that. Would I be willing to work with anyone else on the game to make it faster? I don't know. I'm gonna be done. I'm gonna like let other people edit the game file after 1.3, possibly. So at that point, you know, anyone can just add whatever the fuck they want. Over the power is dumb. 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 There, I did it. Nah, I'd make the farmer like take the bananas in and do something with them. I don't know what though. I don't know what. Alright, the game is about to start. Let me turn the music off. Yeah, how many of you guys are on a Discord server? It's a good time there most of the time, you know. It's like 50% memes, 50% Bloons TDX stuff. It's a good time. You should all join it. We need mods though. Some new mods would be nice. Alright. Let's see if that worked. Okay. It worked. Kind of. That's broken. That doesn't seem correct. Weird. Okay, there are all the upgrades. I just spoiled them all. Be glad you saw that. I don't know, we could sell that guy. Let's sell him too. Let's just go through them slowly. Alright, helipilot, quad darts, quintuple spin, and then railgun. Start the wave. Railgun is pretty cool, especially if you have him on a straight line like this. Then he just pops everything. Alright, I'll do it on the side of the ace, okay? I'll do that after the stream. So yeah, the railgun is good, but against stronger balloons it starts to like not do as well. So, you know, we have another upgrade. Balloon gas, which is real cool. You just shoot a bunch of gas everywhere and it breaks everything. Whoop. Let me not close the game. Yeah, balloon gas is a pretty cool upgrade. I like how it came out. Basically just destroy anything that's not a Moab basically with this upgrade. I just look at that. Look at how good that is. I probably should make the railgun slightly stronger. Maybe make it shoot faster. The upgrade after this I haven't done yet. It's gonna shoot out gas everywhere though. That's my idea anyways. You guys want me to nerf the village percentage money? Alright, I could do that. Yeah, balloon gas is less good against ceramics, but it still does the job. So yeah, that's that guy. And let me show off the middle path. I don't know. Alchemist is pretty good, I think. Oop, that's bad. Leads. Alright, Apache. There we go, they're gone now. So yeah, this is the Apache Dart ship. It's just like in Bloons TDX. I mean, it's just like in Bloons CD5. Only better, I guess. Or different. Alright, I'll fix the Monkey Village percentage points, I think. I'll probably make like the cash limit like 2 billion or something, so if you go over that, it'll stop and then you won't get negative money. Yeah, this is a pretty good upgrade, honestly. Yeah, middle tier helicopter is pretty good. Especially this one, the Flying Fortress. Probably one of my favorite upgrades in the game. Because it just does that. Like, it just shoots like 3 times as fast. And then it also makes darts just fly out of the screen and then back. I don't know, this might be OP. Then again, it costs 37,000, like whatever. Also, you saw how it just melted through that mini Moab, right? Yeah, this would probably be real crazy during like the late game, when it's just constantly shooting and it's just like a mesmerizing pattern of darts. Let me just... yeah. Nah, this is cool. Yeah, it just breaks those. It just completely breaks them. I don't know. I mean, that's pretty much it, I guess. That's all I got to show. Wait, what? Bug in free play? I don't get it. Like in free play, you get a lot less money and your score stops going up. Welcome to the Bloons Bounty Center. This is where we keep all the dangerous balloons we've popped. Luckily, they are all deflated and locked up here, so we got nothing to worry about. Uh-oh. Looks like they all got out. Haha, just kidding. That won't happen until 1.2. Alright, well, that's about it. I'm probably gonna end the stream now. I hope you guys had a good time. I'm gonna go fix a bunch of stuff so that people don't yell at me now. Yeah. I like the art on this map, it's pretty good. Oh, you guys had a good time? Alright, see ya. I'm going to end the stream now. Probably do one next week when I'm almost done with 1.2, or at least further along. Look forward to some more bounty videos. Probably gonna do some more of those, get people hyped. And, you know, thanks for playing the game, you know. I'm really happy that a bunch of people actually like it and shit, you know? That's good. Alright, good night everyone. And have fun.